my God, so many problems, so many failures I need to face in my life. Oh God, what should I do? Can somebody please help me? Can somebody please tell me? How can I get success in my life? What is the age of proper success? When will I get success in my studies? When will I become a successful person? So many questions. So many questions. Do you also face same kind of problem in your life? If yes, so let's watch this video till the end so that you get the solution of all these questions. Yes. So hello everybody, this is Pallavi Kesharwani, founder of Personalopedia, a platform to groom personality, and I am back with a brand new and sensational topic among youth, which is how to develop personality. Yes, personality development tools. Exactly, you heard it right. So in this word, I have seen that people join courses of personality development. They watch different videos as you are watching right now. They try to enroll themselves in different universities just to groom their personality. But believe me, nothing will happen till you do not apply it in your real life. Only enrolling yourself in the course, only watching the video is not going to help you at all. What you need to do, you need to apply the things which you are learning in your real life. Then only you will get the success. Then only you will be able to groom your personality. If you really want to groom your personality, then you need to follow the tips, the magical tricks which I am going to tell in my today's video. So let's begin with the very first trick, which is believe in yourself. Yes, do you believe yourself? Do you really think? Just close your eyes and talk to yourself. Ask from yourself this question. Do you believe yourself? Most of us will say no. Because I have something in my heart, in my mind, and if other person is saying that no, this is wrong, you can do it like this, then you start thinking, you start changing your mind. At that time, it proves that you do not believe yourself. So first thing is to believe yourself. Start believing yourself. Start looking at the ideas which are there inside you, how much creative you are, how much innovative you are. Believe yourself. First you believe yourself, then only others will believe on you. So first point is to believe yourself. Once you start believing yourself, second thing which you need to focus is to be passionate about the thing which you are doing. Exactly. If you are doing something, if you are working somewhere, or if you have opened any business, your own business, or for example if you want to be a dancer or singer, be passionate. Be a person who can die for it, who can do anything for the work which you are doing. So always be passionate about your work. Start loving your work. Love your work. And if you love your work, the third thing which you need to focus is work hard as well as smart. Whatever your goal is, just go for it. Just do it. Do not change your path. Work hard to achieve your goal. If you want to be a successful dancer, do not change your life. Do not change your line. You need to focus on a particular path where you want to go, for what you are passionate, and work hard about it. Next thing which you need to focus is surround yourself with positive people. Exactly. What kind of environment you have matters a lot. Your friendship, your relatives, your relationships, whatever you are making, you need to see that whether they are positive thinkers or not. Because if they are positive thinkers, you will also be thinking positively. If they are letting you to think negatively, you will start having fixed mindset instead of growth mindset. So you should always have growth mindset and surround yourself with positive thinkers. And you should always be thankful or grateful to the people who are there with you. If somebody is helping you, if somebody is suggesting you something, always be ready to say thank you. Nothing goes off your father if you just say a word, small word, thank you. If you are grateful to others, others will start loving you. And these are the important things for your personality improvement, for your personality development. The most important thing is to take care of yourself physically. How you look, your look matters a lot. Wherever you go, people should get attracted towards you. Whether it is your facial beauty, your inner beauty, your body and your physique, everything is important to groom your personality, to develop your personality. So you need to take care of your body, of your physical appearance as well. Next point which you need to focus to be a successful person is never stop learning. Yes, have an attitude that you are a lifelong learner. You are a lifelong learner, exactly. Always be ready for learning different kinds of skills available in the market. Don't limit yourself. Do not limit yourself that no, I just want to learn only one thing. Why? In present time, all-rounder people are given more priority than the people who has something limited inside his or her mind. So always be ready to learn new things. From your continuous learning, it is also important to take some break whenever you need. If you think that you are tired from your life, if you think that your life is not going in a positive manner or something is not sounding good, so take some break. Go and enjoy with your family, with your friends, or if you want to go alone and enjoy. Give some time to you. So take break whenever you want. It's also important. Always be ready to learn from your mistakes. In one of my videos, I have already told mistakes are good, and I already told why mistakes are good. You can watch that video. And here are mistakes. Mistakes are considered as the best key, best way to get the success. Exactly. Because when you fall down, then you get up, and after that you again fall down, again you get up. That means you are always ready to learn from your mistakes. You are not giving up, and that attitude should never ever come that you are giving up. This is one of the keys to get success or to groom your personality. Next and the last topic is be collaborative with others. Do not get messed up with others. Don't fight with others. See, this is a life where you have to focus how can you make more relationships. Yes, how can you be a person who is loved by others. Wherever you go, everybody loves you, everybody wants to talk to you. They want to talk to you. So be a person like that, where you can be collaborative, you should be communicative with others. So always be collaborative, and that can happen only if you have a sweet smile on your face. So always be ready to be collaborative. That was the crucial tip of grooming your personality. So I hope that these tips are going to help you a lot in clearing all the doubts, all the questions which are there in your mind. If yes, if you think that these tips are helpful for you, start applying it in your real life. If you apply it, believe me, you are going to groom your personality and you are going to get the success so soon in your life. Success doesn't mean that you have a big bungalow, you have a big house, you have so much of money. No. In our life, we have different roles, and if you are successful in different roles, so you are a successful person. So that's all about my today's video. Thank you so much everybody for giving your time. Now we will meet in our next video. Till that, take care everybody. Bye bye. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Till that, take care. Bye bye.